Right now, you are losing leads, and every missed lead is money walking away. People are visiting your site, messaging you ready to buy, and then gone. Not because your offer is bad, but because no one replied fast enough. Let me ask you something. How many leads, sales, and customers have you lost this week alone? Because no one was available to reply fast enough, because your team was overloaded, or your chatbot sounded so robotic, people just left. Here is the hard truth. People do not buy from chatbots, they buy from humans. And right now, your competitors are figuring out how to be human 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without hiring a single person. Today, that same power is yours, because for the first time ever, you can have an entire AI workforce, talking to all your customers, selling to all your leads, supporting all your clients, on your website, inside Facebook Messenger, through live voice conversations, inside your CRM, simultaneously 24/7 without lifting a finger. Introducing Dexra AI, the world-first platform that deploys 2,000+ human-like super agents that think, talk, sell, support, and close clients end-to-end automatically. Not just a chatbot, not just automation, not another AI tool that sits there doing nothing. This is your entire business team replaced, upgraded, running on autopilot. Your Dexra super agents can talk like a real human, not robotic, not cold. Sell like a trained professional 24/7. Support every customer instantly, zero wait time. Close deals automatically, no follow-up needed. Handle sales, marketing, HR coaching, and more, all at the same time while you sleep, travel, and live your life. Now, what makes Dexra AI truly unstoppable? One agent, every platform, website, Facebook Messenger, voice, CRM. Your AI works everywhere with one-click deployment. Never miss another lead ever again. Super Agent Mode. Combine multiple agents into one powerhouse assistant that handles sales, support, coaching, and client handling all together. Built-in interactive CRM. Every conversation saved, every lead tracked, reply instantly inside one smart dashboard. Never lose a customer again. 2,000+ pre-trained ready agents. Sales agents, support agents, coaching agents, HR agents. Pick one, customize in minutes, launch in 60 seconds. Multi-language, multi-voice. Connect with anyone, anywhere in their language. Your business goes global automatically. Here is the real secret why this works. People do not just want fast replies. They want to feel heard. They want real conversations. They want human connection. Old chatbots gave them cold, robotic responses and customers left. Dexra AI delivers instant responses, zero waiting. Human-like tone and natural conversations. Real solutions, not generic replies. Trust-building interactions every time. Sales that close without pressure. This is why businesses using agentic AI grow faster, close more deals, and keep customers longer. Human-like AI equals higher trust equals higher conversions. And now the part everyone loves: how you make money. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork are right now charging $800, $1,800, even $4,990 for building AI agents far weaker than Dexra AI. With Dexra AI, you can create and sell AI super agents to any business. Restaurants, coaches, real estate agents, e-commerce brands, local services, every single one of them needs this. Offer white label AI agent services. Charge monthly retainers for agent management. Serve unlimited clients, keep 100% profit. Build a full AI agency. No skills, no team needed. This is pure profit. No coding, no API costs, no expensive teams, no monthly fees. Just deploy and earn. And it takes just 3 simple steps. Step 1, choose and customize. Pick from 2,000+ done-for-you AI agent templates or build from scratch with no code builder. Step 2, train and enhance. Add your URLs, PDFs, FAQs. Your agent learns your business instantly. Fine-tune tone, style, and personality. Step 3, deploy and profit. Launch on your website, Facebook Messenger, voice, or CRM in one click. Your super agents start working 24/7 while you focus on what matters or nothing at all. Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, you check your phone. New leads already qualified, follow-ups already sent, deals already closed, clients already handled, all while you slept. That is what Dexra AI unlocks for you. Be everywhere, serve everyone, scale without limits, without hiring a single person. Right now, during this special launch period, you can unlock full access to Dexra AI for a tiny one-time price. No monthly costs, no hidden fees, 30-day money-back guarantee. This offer will end after launch. It switches to recurring pricing. So here is the only question that matters. Do you want to keep losing leads to competitors? Or do you want 2,000 plus AI agents talking, selling, and closing clients for you? 24/7. Your competitors are already switching. The world is already switching. Now it is your turn. Click the button below to get instant access to Dexra AI and start deploying your AI super agents today. Act now, this offer disappears soon. See you inside.